In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an Odoo database. Before we begin, a quick reminder. Deleting a database in Odoo is permanent. Once it's gone, you can't restore it unless you already have a backup saved somewhere safe. So as you follow along, make sure you're absolutely sure you want to remove this database and that you've downloaded a backup if you might need the data later. Let's get started. First, log into your Odoo account through your usual login page. Once you are successfully logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down options, select My Databases. This is where Odoo lists all the databases associated with your account. On the My Databases page, you'll see a list of your available databases. Find the specific database that you want to delete. Take a moment here to double check the name so you don't accidentally remove the wrong one. When you're sure, click on the name of that database. A small drop-down will appear next to it. From that drop-down, select the Manage option. This will take you to the management page for that particular database. Once you're inside the database information page, scroll down until you see a section labeled Danger Zone. This section is clearly marked because the actions here are more serious and can't be undone. Under the danger zone, you'll find an option called Delete Database, and to the right of it, there will be a delete button. Click that delete button. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up will warn you that all data for this database will be permanently deleted for all users and cannot be restored. It will also recommend that you back up the database before going any further. This is your last chance to stop if you're not completely sure. If you've already backed up what you need and you're fully decided, go ahead and click delete again in the pop-up. Once you confirm, the page will reload. You should then see a message indicating that your database is being deleted, along with a note expressing that they're sorry to see you go. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Odoo database.